Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry, I didn't think the video started there. But yes, we are here on a newbie account. It's not my level 18 account. You don't know it's level 18 yet, do you? I'll tell you the details in a second. I'm not writing around. But this is a newbie account. Her name is Johanna Meadowing. Weird last name. It's the only free one I could find. That actually sounded okay. This is basically a new account that I've created that I'll only make videos on, and I will not be going on it in between days. I wouldn't be going on it like to get to level 5, level 4 off camera. I won't be doing that. Everything I do in this game will be on camera. I'm very sorry, as you can see right now, I am level 2. I did do a little bit of leveling up at the beginning because I forgot to film it. I'm so sorry, guys. But yeah, the other account, Elizabeth Strongbird, my other account, is going to be my account that I'm going to do off screen, just my personal account that I can do, because I've been doing a lot of things that have been off screen, like leveling up. Somehow it paused there, and guys, I'm so sorry if it paused in the middle of it. It just wanted to pause for a second. So it decided to pause with no absolute reason, but I don't know if I fitted this in. But my old account, Elizabeth Strongbird, isn't going to be always off camera now. It's going to be my personal account. I have unlocked a pony now, so what's the point of me doing it? This account is going to be the only one that I'm going to use on screen. So I'm not going to use any other camera. I'm not going to basically. So what I'm trying to get at, I guess, is that this account is going to be the one account that I'm literally. I'm not going to go on it in between days, right? I'm not going to go on it in between days. This account is going to be my account that I will only make videos on. I will not do this. Maybe we'll make a video on Saturday. I'll do it on Sunday to level up. I will not do that. I'll make sure everything that I do on this account will be on camera, because on my other account, as I said, I've leveled up quite high. So I need to change that. And this account will be only for videos only. I will not do anything else. But getting on with it, I'm just going to do my horse's daily chores, and then we can get on with taking care of her. Or him, don't know. Really big. But I'm saving up some of my coins so I can get something in at winter for winter. That's really irritating. Let's go to Thomas and see what he has. I might just excuse if my reading's rubbish. It's been terrible. This is troubling. Mr. Evil Kemble is planning to evict and I'm just gonna skip the reading. Pause it if you want to read it. I'm not reading it. Just saying, because some of the words here I cannot read. So just pause it if you want to read it. Okay, read that. Read that if you want to as well. Read it. Okay, let's go to the quest for 120 XP. Let's do it. I know what we're doing. God, I hate these. They blooming give you these cuts, and I just don't want these cuts. I got my mum's my account on my mum's old computer. Basically, I got to this stage, but then I gave up because I couldn't find the last one. It was like an extremely bad glitch. I was just like, well, that is rude, isn't it? And then I get onto my Elizabeth Strongbird account, and also yes, noobs can jump now. They are most welcome to jump. Also, I'm really excited for Christmas. I make sure I'll be doing a video on that on the 1st of December. Fingers crossed. I might do videos. I'm trying to figure out a good time for me to do videos every night. Probably not Monday, as Monday is a very busy night for me to do homework. I'll have to figure out which day. I would say I might do it not Friday. I'll probably do it on Sunday. 2 days off. But this is just a test to say I'm going to try starting to do videos on these perfect days. The reason why I couldn't do it on Friday, partly because I had so much homework, and also my friend came over, and you know, me and Ellie were crazy people about this game. I've been getting quite bored of it recently, but I'm happy to do these videos on Sundays, once a week. It's fine. I will not go on this account anytime. But yes, my other account I'll just go on whenever the doolally I want to go on it. But yeah, where the hell's this quest? Oh, it's Tan. Go out to Tan and see what she's got in store for us. It's probably the Laureata gone missing. Yeah, it is. That means we get to do something fun. What happened to Laureata? Okay, we're just gonna have to skip this reading because it takes too long. It's gonna take all the time in this video. Find Laureata, ride along the road cliff, and send asking me to see her. Well, I know what we're doing right now. Apparently, we're already allowed there. Up there, are we? Are we already allowed up there? Yeah, I think so. Oh, no, we're not. Because this son of a gun is still here. Yes, what do you want? He's just asking us what jibber jabber. We have to go get a cart from up at Jed. Well, no, that's because I did it. Prior to the construction site, Moylan asked Mr. Campbell if I can send a bulldozer. Fine. There's really a ton of rocks up there, isn't there? There's a ton of rocks up there. Trust me, this account is just made for having a laugh. Also, I'm so sorry I didn't manage to get it on those Fridays. I should have meant hopefully I can come to you on these Fridays and do it. But I really didn't keep to my schedule. I really wasn't being a good person, to be honest. Been lying and just forgetting about it. It's always been stuck in the back of my mind, like, and you need to make videos, you need to make videos. And then I've just been like, no. But I am really going to try and fit them in. I'm so sorry if I can't fit them in. It's probably because I've got homework or I'm doing reading or something for school, like I'm doing an essay or something. So I'm so sorry if I do not get a video in. It's probably because I am doing schoolwork. But I really can't help that. Jed construction site. Let's go ask Mr. Campbell. We're not gonna have too many time to fit much in, so it's not gonna be leveling up like quickly, but I'm sure we can fit in some things. Until I get like a proper thing or anything that I can use. Until I get something properly that can actually like level me up quickly. Then it's gonna be quite slow. Leveling up. Again! It likes to spaz on me. How rude. I'm so sorry if it paused and you didn't hear me halfway through, but that's because it's spazzy and it's really annoying. Ow, I almost ran into that tree. But yeah. Also, I haven't picked up this horse's name is Coco Spirit. We are going to be doing a lot of things with her. Also, my idea is to occasionally buy horses. So I'm not going to go out on horse sprees. I'm just going to buy a horse at a time. Also, I'm planning on saving up my star coins when I buy pay one star rider. That's what I'm doing with my money for my card. Going buying pay one star rider so that we can get some star coins. Of course, I'll probably buy a horse for the meantime. I probably won't. I'll probably save it. All I'm interested in right now is saving it until we find a really nice horse that we really enjoy. But other than that, yeah, really haven't got no interests in buying a horse. I just want to save up money. On my other account, I've been saving up money for ages. I was hoping to buy. I was hoping to not buy. I was hoping to do the redeem code, which I am gonna. But I can't give away now because the women things ended. Can't do it anymore. It's women ended now. So there's no point in attempting it. It ended at 2 o'clock today, so no point in doing it. But yeah. What is making the buttons? Okay. I'll turn up the volume so you guys can hear it. You really don't want to hear it. I'm sorry, now you have to deal with it. This is the new updated Star Wars look, which I personally myself love. We have to go and find. Oh my god, I leveled up! So that incredible, I'm used to it. I'm in level 18. I'm so tempted to go onto my other account to do a video now, but I'm just like, no, just do it in your own time. Also, I have an Octoponia, I've got Icelandics. So I didn't even show you me buying the Icelandics or unlocking a Ponia. So we show them flipping unloyal I am, isn't it? It does work quickly. Don't know how flipping unloyal I am. Let's go from Lordietta. I probably won't end the video up there. I will probably get some. I just need to put these quests down at the moment. And yeah. I have a problem with sticking my bottom lip out. It's no problem. Wait, how many stars do we have? We have 0! And the only place we can get stars is Moorland. How depressing. We will have to race our horse. I think we stars because she's faster than us, and that's pretty rude. And it's just illegal on road. And it's just all in fast road. Also, guys, this will be my first horse that I will be getting to level 15. This will be the horse that I'll be getting to level. See, she's faster than me! See, it's unfair. It's unfair. It's unfair. It's a bit unfair, you know. Oh, they changed the glitch. Rude. Everyone could jump over that fence and then get over across now. But now they're just like, no, sorry, now you are not allowed to do that because we are going to be really irritating and make your life hard. And that's what they just did. So we just finished the race. We're going to get our XP. Loretta added our journal. Where is our journal? I'm just like that. That's very short. That's quest log. Wow. Was that achievements? Oh, high scores. I didn't need any high scores, but okay. Oh, journal, god darn it! I like to be shrunken so you can exactly see where all the quests are. Cute outfit. Love the hat. Cute outfit. Love the hat. Wild Bobcat track. When do I get the t-shirt? Complete the Wild Bobcat track. Oh my god, Jesus. Oh my loud Jesus. Run, little horsey, run! Probably have enough time to finish this. Yeah, we did the Bobcat t-shirt. Oh, it's the ugly green t-shirt. Oh, that's the authentic I have for previews. Might do an odd like life hack or where all the stars are or something silly like that or something like that. Maybe I'll give away promo codes on there. Maybe I'll do giveaways or something. I don't know on my other account for Star Stables. Maybe I'll do something like that. Ha! I beat you. Well, actually, she's got a faster horse than me. Maybe you beat me or no. Oh yeah, I have to do the spirit things, don't I? Oh, that's fun. I better off getting me better getting admired by Spirit. I love Spirit. Cutie pie. They fixed that glitch as well. They're being really annoying. Bring back the glitches is what I say. Bring back the glitches. The abandoned farm. Love the place. It's majestic. It's lovely, man. It's quite nice. Love the new update, if you haven't can tell. It's a lovely new update. I haven't moved from Moorland. Literally, I can show you, and I have not moved from Moorland. I'm stuck. I'm stuck in Moorland because of how beautiful this place is. And haven't you noticed how more spacious this is? It looks so much better. Took them for ages to come out with the blooming thing. Okay, well, I'm gonna end the video in a second. I'm just gonna collect my XP and I'll find a nice place to end it. Ooh, let's find a nice place now to end it. And then I will literally, I'll quit off after that. Just countering you, letting you know that. I'm just gonna put by myself by this bush as it looks pretty by this bush. So guys, I hope you enjoyed. That is rude. I'm gonna put it in screenshot. No, it isn't because we won't have the music, so I'll just keep the mouse here and I won't let it move. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It took effort to create this account, I must admit. But yeah, I'll hopefully come out with every video every Sunday. I need to end this video sharpish. And don't forget to subscribe and like. And I guess, bye guys!